My name is Atul Kochhar. I'm chef patron of Masalchi restaurant in Wembley Park. We are on Ingenious Way / Olympic Way. Next door to Wembley Stadium, and other side we have Wembley Arena. So we do fully halal food menu, and the inspiration behind is street food across Indian subcontinent. So as I always said that borders are blurred for me, for my culinary inspiration. So Lahore to Dhaka and Kathmandu to Colombo, that's our region to explore food, and we bring street food from all these regions. Some of the star attractions are, I call it Miyaji Sheikh Wale. So my little time in Lucknow, and I used to go to Sadar Bazaar, and this Miyaji, who I absolutely adored and loved, and his kebabs were just out of this world. So we have tried to emulate his Sheikh kebabs. Hopefully we have got it right, and he'll be proud of me. Another one I've always been fond of is bun kebabs, and they are not only made in India and Lucknow, but also in Lahore, I know. So we made one with the lamb and other one with the potato cakes, so aloo tikki kebab. And in stir fry items, we have got chicken 65, which is the street food of Chennai, which is fantastic. We have ambarsari jhinga, which is an amazing recipe for us, and many more, to be honest. So I have broken it down into half plates so that the whole table can share and enjoy. And also there is substantial food as well. If people wanted to have more food, then there are proper curries and handis and kalias. We also have few biryanis. So to name, we have got lamb biryani for our non-vegetarian friends, and for vegetarians we have kept jackfruit biryani, which is amazing. I hope you guys have liked what you have seen, and I do look forward to serve you all this when you come and visit us.